So I'm on my way up to the starting tower here at Dirtmasters FNB gold level event. I'm gonna do some point of view laps, and we're supposed to have a contest today, but it's really windy, so we'll see. Let's go up there. Yo.
Hey!
Hey! Oh, wow! Fryser det eller?
It's cold.
Är det kallt?
Very cold. Yeah.
Hur känner du dig på banan, Anton?
Ganska bra ändå.
Gör du det?
Nej, nu överdrev jag. Men bortsett från vinden så.
Ja. Alltså det är så jäkla blåsigt, därför bara jag gjorde 3 år och flips hela vägen ner. Så det är jättekallt också. Så nu ska vi äta mat. Once more, wait some food. Now it's time to get back to practice. Did about 5 runs before. Wind seems to be better now. Hopefully we can... Yeah?
Slightly maybe?
Yeah, true. But the plan is to do a contest at 5 and it's like 3 o'clock. So yeah, we'll see. Just do some more practice, then go for some runs. Okay, so I ran through the bottom half now. I think I'm gonna go up and film a Insta clip actually. Okay, so I need to figure out this part. I wanna 3-whip that one and then 3 and turn on there. And then Mark's gonna film. So, stoked. It's gonna be scary. Yeah, Loffe. Yo! Oh.
How you feeling?
Better and better.
Nice.
But it's, yeah, I feel like the wind is better now as well.
For sure, yeah.
How do you feel?
It's way better, yeah.
Nice.
That was my first lap.
Oh, okay. Okay, now it's worse again.
Yeah.
Hey, kan jag se? That, oh! Yeah, looked better than it felt, to be honest. But now, yeah, I know I can do it now, at least.
Deep on the hip, but...
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I need to land higher there to get speed for the rest. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just continue the line down now and then... Yeah, I want to do the corky, the second one. Maybe flip our can and then switch corky because I go further on those. And then flip B's, 360, switch 360, fronty. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to work again. Is it filming? Good. I just want to get the vibe here, you know. Yeah, nice. It's gonna be insane crowd, like already so many people. Yeah. Yo. time for a runs now, I think. Or we're gonna have a riders meeting and then just go for it. I haven't done all of my tricks. Have you done everything, Olof?
Absolutely not.
No?
But we hope for a good wind gap.
Yeah, okay, Anthony's... Oh, wow. That was cool.
That was sick.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go for it, I guess.
Yeah, let's get it.
Hur känner du dig, Felix? Känner du dig bra?
Jag känner mig lite sådär alltså. Fan, det är dåligt preppande, men vi hoppas på att det går låsen då.
Ja,
Det är
fan.
som allting annat. Fan, det kommer.
Ja, vi kör.
Lite så.
Det är bra publik här i alla fall.
Väldigt, väldigt bra. Kolla där borta, hur många det är.
Hey. Ja, det är en del alltså. Okay, warm-up laps coming up. Everyone is doing a presentation run, kinda. Det är typ en line. Hur är det med vinden nu? Det ser bra ut, va? Kan vi gå? Kan man köra?
Winterberg unterwegs, lange Erfahrung auf dem Schweden. Alex Alanko hat seinen Kollegen Elof Lind mitgebracht, der hier hinterherkommt. Und der nächste, den kennen wir auf dem Eisfest.
Wow!
Give it up for Mr. Applaus, liebe Winterberger, nichtsdestotrotz.
Så jävla kul alltså.
Ja,
helvete.
Trodde jag inte.
Nej, någonstans visste man att det förr eller senare skulle det hända.
Ja, tack.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.